Hello, today we'll be guiding you through the process of signing up for BioTandem. Let's start by opening the BioTandem website in a browser. Then click the Sign Up button located at the top right corner. This will bring up the sign up screen. Begin by entering your name or nickname, followed by your email address. Next, choose a password and type it into the password field, and then retype your password into the second field. Once you've done this, click the Create an Account button. BioTandem will then send you a confirmation code to verify your email address. Enter the provided code. Once you've entered the code, the welcome screen will appear, confirming your successful sign up to BioTandem. Now click Continue. The next step involves selecting a membership for BioTandem. There are several options available, but for demonstration purposes, we will select the Pro membership. The Pro membership offers additional features such as the Cardiovascular and Oncology Pro modules. We'll select the Combo Pro module, which bundles these two modules together. After making our selection, we'll review the summary and proceed to the payment screen. Here, we'll need to provide credit card details to complete the payment. And that's it. Congratulations. We've successfully signed up for BioTandem and started our membership. It's now time to start exploring.